Hello and welcome. This is called how to make maple mocha. First thing you gotta do is you put 2 spoons of the maple hot chocolate mix into the cup and close the lid after. Then you put in the strong coffee. Then after that, you put in the milk or substitute into this cup, and then you close the milk with the lid. Sorry, I zoomed in a little too far. Sorry, it went blurry by the way, but all mistakes happen. You stir this, and now you stir this up, and here's your strong mocha. Enjoy it and have a great time. Enjoy it, everyone. Thanks.